Welcome to Renaissance Academy. As a part of our video lecture series on English Literature, Paper 2 of UGC NET or SET, today we are going to discuss an important topic known as phonetics. As you know, phonetics is an important topic which comes under our Unit 5, language in use, basic concept, theories, pedagogy, and English in use. So phonetics is the branch of linguistics which studies speech sounds of a language, right? Phonetics is a branch of linguistics which studies the sounds of a particular language. There is another term which is related with phonetics, that is phonology. And what I think, phonology is an umbrella term which studies sounds also, right? Phonology is an umbrella term which studies speech sounds of all the known languages of the world. So in phonology we studies all the elementary sounds of all languages, of all known languages, and in phonetics we study speech sounds of a language, or we can say a particular language, right? So this is the basic difference between phonology and phonetics. Phonology is an umbrella term which studies the speech sounds of all the known languages, and phonetics study speech sounds of a particular language. Phonetics is of three types, right? The first type is articulatory phonetics. Articulatory phonetics is the branch of phonetics where we study how sounds are being created, right? So articulatory phonetics deals with articulation or manner of sound production or a place of sound production, right? So articulatory phonetics deals with how sounds are being created, and articulatory phonetics is related with articulation of sound. It is related with formation of sound, right? The second type of phonetics is acoustic phonetics, right? Second type of phonetics is acoustic phonetics, and acoustic phonetics is a branch of phonetics where we studies how speech sounds travel from speaker to listener, right? So acoustic phonetics is related with transmission of sound from speaker to listener. Third type of phonetics is auditory phonetics. Auditory phonetics studies how listeners hear or interpret the sounds, right? So auditory phonetics is the branch of phonetics which deals with the studies of interpretation or hearing of sounds, right? So auditory phonetics is related with interpretation of the sounds, right? So as you know, phonetics is of three types: articulatory phonetics, acoustic phonetics, and auditory phonetics. Articulatory phonetics deals with articulation of sound, or we can say manner of production of sound, formation of sound comes under articulatory phonetics. Acoustic phonetics is related with transmission of sounds, right? How sounds are being transmitted from speaker to listener, that comes under acoustic phonetics, right? Then the third type of phonetics is auditory phonetics, and the auditory phonetics deals with how the sounds are being interpreted by listener. Phonetics is a branch of linguistics which studies speech sounds of a particular language, and the umbrella term phonology which studies all the elementary sounds of all known languages. So these are the 5 terms which we discuss today in this video. Let's stop here. Thank you.